Hey, this is Teacher Katrina, and I'm going to show you how I integrate OBS into my classroom. So on my screen, you will see I have a classroom pulled up. I just finished teaching this class, and I am now on the blank slide. This is to protect all the copyrighted teaching materials that VIPKid has. So I'm going to open up my camera in the classroom, and it is loading. Okay, so when the student first comes into the classroom, they will see my welcome screen. This is one of the scenes that I have set up in OBS. So if you watched my second video, you saw how I set this up. So here's the OBS program. I keep this at the bottom corner of the class of my screen while I'm teaching in the classroom. That way I can toggle between these three different scenes. When I'm ready to show my face in the video, I click my main video feed, and here I am. So when I'm teaching, this is what the student sees. And if I want to show them something else, like my props or my rewards, I already have those pulled up in my Google Chrome browser. So you will see that I have my browser here. I have a reward currently pulled up, and I also have my props. So when I'm teaching, I toggle between the two tags, my props tag and my rewards tab. And so when I'm ready to do my reward, I say, when you do a good job, you can look for a star. I come over to the OBS program and I click on the scene for rewards and props. And now here it is shown in the classroom. And so we go through the slide, choose a number, and then we click on that number. And then there's either a star, which there is. Congratulations, we found a star. And there's sometimes a GIF or an image of something, and we can have extension questions and talk about that. And if we are learning about a topic like this lesson I just taught, we learned about quarters and how to divide shapes into equal quarters. So I can show the Google Slides for that specific lesson. And then when I'm done showing props, I go back to OBS down here in the corner and I click on the main video feed. So when I'm teaching, this is what my screen looks like. I have the VIPKid classroom. I put it in the top right corner because my webcam is right there. So I can look at the video feed of myself and my student, and it looks like I'm looking at the camera, but really I'm looking at the video feed. Right below, I have my Google Chrome with my two tabs already open. And these tabs are already set up in presenter view. So I'm going to back out. I'm gonna okay, here we go. So this is what the Google Slides looks like. I come over to the right corner of the Google Slides and I'm gonna click the caret next to present. It's gonna give me an option, presenter view. I'm going to click that. That way the presentation doesn't take up my whole screen, it only takes up the whole browser. So then I have that here, and then I have my OBS right below it. And you will see none of my screens take up, or none of my windows take up the whole screen. So VIPKid is not maximized to take up the whole screen. And the reason I do that is so that I can easily toggle between them. And that is how I use OBS in the classroom. I hope this video was informational. And useful to you. Good luck with OBS and good luck with teaching in the classroom. Bye-bye.